攞多錢。
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手！咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走甩啊！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後面人，過嚟嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! Oh, what's the nets? You see anyone? I think they're after Wu, crazy fuck! Hurry up! Shit! Run! Run! Stay with me! Run! Hurry up! They're on us! Goddamn fish! I hate fish! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going!
冇喐！冇喐！
Getting me!
冇喐啊！
What's
跟
with
住佢
these
啊！
guys?
走甩啦！
打我個十八路！Son of a bitch!
Get out！ 冇喐！捉住佢！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走甩！捉住佢！捉住佢！警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。Come on, we can work something out, right？ 唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供，你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？5點咁樣出嚟行啦。
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
So what the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, people kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma!
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Ye is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles. The lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The dog eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introduction. I'm really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up. Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街死撚緊啊！你攞過嚟啊！
你唔恨厭打係嘛？
睇你點走！睇住你啊！
好勇氣，嘥下氣啦！
黐撚咗線啊！你咁好大鑊啊！
Come on！ 繼續，唔好停，唔好停，睇下你有冇人行出去。
打佢，撚嘅仆街！
Damn, Wayne! Why do you do this in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅？
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜撚嘢啊？ Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fought.
You like that?
Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him.
How about that?
What do you guys think? He sucks, right?
That all you got?
You can get him. You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real.
You gonna back down? did you get out of here? Huh? You like that?
Hello, boys.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Songong-yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
This way. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Razor, brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister to give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he has. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. You mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, she OD years ago now. Yeah, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country. The hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
It's been 4 days.
That's good. I've been shopping all day, my legs hurt. How childish.
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
That's good.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Wait,
而家真係冇乜嘢啦。
如果咁好氣個
Need anything? Careful! Just come ask.
哇，份早餐俾狗食嘅差唔多。How rude！
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog guy said he is in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we used to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Don't do that. Okay, I will pay.
OK，你贏啦！
好睇啦。
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money, but dog I won't be happy.
Yeah！點會諗到咁㗎？
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while. We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a bak choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These jerks are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show him what you're made of! Oh man, this isn't good. What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk. Come on, get back up.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf. You don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
手啊！唔係你死俾我睇㗎！I'm very important. I will look for you. What's your price? I'll pay it. 加油！好痛啊！好痛啊！幫手啊！
You go tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Why don't you have a pork bun in your hand?
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Is never a whole man.
Not everything, man. What do you want? I got it cheap. Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
You look like you could.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely. It's all about the clothes, man.
A man who never eats pork buns is never.
You know how it is. People judge you by how you look.
Your eyes too small.
You got a sale.
Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
全部本地菜，包冇農藥。
每个妹妹都看成 dessert， 你让我以为你对我特别，原来每个亚洲妹你都 OK， 是黑是长发，胸部有 C 卡，我想知道你的心会很痒，严重的 yellow fever， 偏爱亚洲 lover， 你明明眼睛有我的海。
Excellent. Call me if you need further help with
Get
your
back to
wardrobe.
Winston.
公司你坐定買一送一，前所未有咁着數啊！我呢度啲衫全部外地進口，質料上乘啊！
都大支。
咁咯，意思就係實就唔得啦。
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
Hey, what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up.
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie! You're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.